Dear students, valuation of goodwill, chapter number 3 of accountancy. It's a 6-mark chapter. Section A 1 mark, section B 1 mark, and section D having a 4 marks. So total 6-mark chapter is there. In our channel Accounting Funda, I welcome you all. Like, share and subscribe our channel to get all other videos immediately. Now, what is a goodwill? The meaning of goodwill. Goodwill is an intangible asset which shows the reputation of the firm in the market. So what is the reputation of the firm? So that will decide the value of goodwill. So the reputation of firm transfer in the money, that is called goodwill. It's also expected in profit also. Goodwill is an intangible asset. 1 mark question they will ask in a board examination, so you have to be prepared for that. Factors affecting valuation of goodwill. The first is nature of business. So when nature of business means if your business earn more profit, then the value of goodwill is more. If your business earn less profit, the value of goodwill is less. So it's a nature of business. Which type of business you are doing, that is also important. Location of business. In business, location is most important. If your business is located in 4 ways, just like a heavy traffic area, so the customers are easily come to your business. So in this type of situation, your goodwill is more compared than other place. Period of business. You have started business so long time, just like a ramen company since 1925, started 1925. So now they have a long customer base. So in this type of situation, your business you have started for a long period. So it's depend goodwill. The period is more, the goodwill is more because you have a more customer base. Market situations. Your business in the market, it is in monopoly conditions, then you have to get the more goodwill. But it is a competitive business, you have to get the less business, less profit and less goodwill. Efficiency of manager. If your firm earn more profit, then we understood that the managers are efficient and they are doing a proper work. So in this situation, you have to earn the more goodwill. Other special benefit. They have some special benefit, just like a license, patent, trademark, and some others. If you have some license of business and if you want to sell your business, then goodwill, they will charge more goodwill. Patent is also just like the same type of rights. So these are the topic of factors affecting the valuation of goodwill. In the firm, we have to decide the goodwill. In Reliance company, now in the market in Reliance company, sale is 9.99% share to Facebook with a 43,574 crore rupees. How they are decided? Only assets part they are decided? No. Some part of goodwill is also there because goodwill is also a part of asset. It is intangible assets. So this is the important in a companies. Now the necessity for the goodwill valuation. Why we have to value what is the necessity of goodwill valuations? The first topic is change in profit sharing ratios among the exiting partners. Matlab those partners are doing the business, they have to change in profit sharing ratios, admission of partners, retirement of partners, death of partners. In this type of situation, we have to make a valuation of goodwill. Conversion of partnership firm into a company. Our partnership firm, they are transferred, convert into companies. Then also we want a goodwill. Amalgamation of partnership firm means our company will merge into some other company or some other companies merge into our company. In this type of situation, we have to decide the goodwill. Now, what is the method of goodwill that we have to decide? We have 4 methods of goodwill. The first is average profit method. Second is weighted average method. Third is super profit method. And fourth one is capitalization of profit method. In four methods, we have to start the first method, average profit method. How to calculate the average profit method? The formula of the average profit method is average profit is equal to total profit upon number of years, and after that we have to decide the goodwill. Goodwill is equal to average profit into number of year it is given in the questions, that we have to apply. Now weighted average method. Weighted average method, you have to keep one point in your mind. If your profit is in increasing order or decreasing order, then you have to apply the weighted average method. When we apply this method, it is compulsory to check the profit. Year wise you have to arrange the profit and check it that it is increasing order or decreasing order, then we have to apply the weighted average method. Weighted average method formula is, total weighted profit upon total weighted profit upon total weight. Just like in statistics we have a weighted average method, sigma W upon sigma W. This is just like a same. Now goodwill is equal to weighted average profit into number of years purchase. So these two methods you have to keep in mind, because this is a basic method for the next two methods. So you have to think about it, prepare the formula, and then you have to start the sum. When we start the sum, the question is determine the value of goodwill based on 3 years purchase of 5 years average profit. So we have to 3 years purchase of last year 5 years profit is given. Last 5 year profit is given, and the base of that we have to purchase 3 years of profit. So 3 years of profit means when you have to calculate the goodwill, we have to understood that 3 years multiple with the 3 years of goodwill. Year is given, the profit is given, this is the question, and then we have to do the same in answer also. Look at the profit. First is 1 lakh 50,000 increasing, 80,000 is decreasing, 120 increasing, 90 is decreasing. So it is not increasing order or a decreasing order. That's why we have to apply the average profit method. So just to make the total of all the profit, it is 5,40,000. Average profit is equal to total profit upon number of years, 5,40,000 upon, we have a 5 years, the year is 5. So that 5 divided by 5, you have to get 1,08,000 rupees average profit. Now goodwill is equal to average profit into numbers of years purchased. That is the formula of goodwill. Average profit we have 1,08,000, and 3 years purchase is given in the question, that we have to write down here, and then we have to multiply, you get the answer of 3,24,000. This is our goodwill. Now from the following information, the value of the goodwill of the firm 3 years purchased on the basis of the last 5 years. Matlab last 5 year profit is given, on the basis of that we have to calculate the 3 years purchase. In the question it is written the 3 years purchase. So we have to do the 3 years purchase here. At the last we have to calculate 3 years purchase. Up to this we have a 5 years profit is given. Now we have to start the questions. The year is given and profit. That year and profit we have to arrange as per the year wise. Profit we are arranged. First is 80,000. Next is 1 lakh, it is increasing. Again 120 is increasing, 130 is increasing, 150 is increasing. All are increasing. So this is weighted average method. So just to give the weight is just like importance of the year. Here it is. The first year is 1, second year is 2, third year is 3, fourth year is 4, fifth year is 5. That weight you have to give and make the total weight is 15. Total weight is 15. After that we have to find the weighted profit. Now weighted profit is equal to profit into weight, multiple of these two, profit into weight. 80,000 into 1, that is 80,000. 1 lakhs into 2, that is 2 lakhs. 1 lakh 20 into 3, that is 3 lakhs 60,000. 1 lakh 30,000 into 4, that is 5 lakh 20,000. And 1 lakh 50 into 5, that is 7 lakh 50,000. So total is 19,10,000. Now weighted average profit is equal to total weighted profit upon total weight. So 19,10,000 divided by 15. Total weight 15. You have to get the answer 1,27,333.33. If you have to do the answer in round figure, then also you can do this, no problem. At the end you can do this, then also you have to do the answers. Now goodwill is equal to weighted average profit into number of years purchased. Now 1,27,330 into 3, you have to do that. You get the answers is 3,81,999.99. The answer you have to write in round, that is 3,82,000. This is our weighted average profit method.